Happy Monday, little monsters. We are back with another week of school lunches. So lately I've been trying to show you guys like different brands that I use for these lunch boxes that I make. And this week we're going to focus on CAPERCI. This is the newest brand that I've been making. They actually reached out to me last year with this box actually. And since then I've had several other products from them and they are really great. I love using them. Today, this one is called the CAPERCI Kids Versatile. I love the color on this. And I made some sandwiches. So typically this box, it actually does come with this additional tray that fits right in here. I mean, you can put, you know, things in here if you wanted to, but since I made these two sandwiches, I kept this out. So I have here just some Hawaiian roll sliders, and then I just have some turkey, cheese, and salami in here, and I made two little sandwiches with that. I have some veggie straws, I have some pistachios, and I threw his vitamins here in the center. And then to go with that for a snack, I'm using the CAPERCI Kids snack container. So just to show you how it comes, it actually comes in a total of 8. So we get like 4 large ones here, and then you get 2 small ones. They can be stacked like this, so they do stay together like this, or how I typically like to do it when I do 1 large, 1 small is like this. So it either interlocks on the top like that, and it has like that mechanism here, or it actually just clicks on like this if you were to stack it this way. So it's really nice to keep in the house and organized, but it does come in a set of 8. And I got them on Amazon. So today for these, I just have here, these are, what's it called? Goldfish, so cheese goldfish. And then I have here just a clementine that I peeled up, and that's what he's gonna have for a snack. And then I just have my thermos of milk, partially frozen, 1 of water, and that is what he is bringing to school today. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so for our second CAPERCI lunch, we are using the CAPERCI Kids. This is their newest box. I love that it has this little hand. It's kind of like a little suitcase, so it's super cute. It has 3 latches on the side here. And then it comes with these 2 containers. So I usually use these containers, but sometimes I take the containers out and I'll use it like in other lunch boxes as well, because it's like a pretty good size. So today I just went with some chicken nuggets. These are just kind of leftover from one of our takeout dinners that we had. So sometimes I order a little bit extra, just a side note for you guys, just to have leftovers so that he can bring it to school. I have here the smaller container. I just have some carrot strips here. And then for the larger one, I gave him some grapes so that he has that. And then I have some chocolate covered pretzels here. And then these pistachios I gave to him yesterday, but he didn't finish. So when he got home, I just like took it out and I just put it into this one. So that way he can use it. Just also, you guys can see these are the latches on the top. There is this insulated strip here, and you can actually take this out for easier cleaning too if you wanted to, just so like the mold doesn't build up underneath, because sometimes that does happen and we can never take like that extra seal out. So that's kind of nice with this container. To go with that, I'm just going to give him also an extra container here of Pringles. And then I have here a snack time. Just going to give him these Ritz Bits. This is the cheese crackers. So that's what he has for a snack. I have his thermos of milk and then 1 of water. That is what he's bringing to school. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. So to continue our CAPERCI Kids Lunchbox week, I'm using the CAPERCI Versatile again. And I think out of all of them, this is our favorite box because you can do a lot of stuff with the compartments. Today, I did use the insert tray here, and I just made some cheese quesadillas. So I just have like the flour tortilla cheese, and then instead of typically like cutting it into like the triangular shape, I actually just cut them into these little bite-sized squares. I just thought that they'd be more fun. I have a clementine peeled up, some little mini snacking turkey pepperonis. I have some cherry tomatoes here, and then his multivitamins I threw in the little compartment here. I'm gonna give him a bag of popcorn or chips. These are just the white cheddar flavor. And then for snack time, I'm going to give him a chocolate croissant. So that is what he's bringing to school, along with his thermos of water and then 1 of milk. And we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Happy Friday, guys. We are at the end of our school lunch week. So this week we were focusing on the CAPERCI brand. We've already shown you the CAPERCI Kids Versatile and the CAPERCI Kids box. This is the third box that we have and the third box that they have for kids lunch boxes. This is the CAPERCI Kids Insulated. This is the one that comes with a thermos. So for those of you that like to pack hot food, this is a good option for you. We don't always pack hot food here so much. He likes to eat things if it's like warm. He doesn't really like it hot, and then he is totally okay with room temperature, which works out in my favor. So I don't use this box quite often, but today I'm showing you what we brought. So it comes with this thermos here, and I actually really like this thermos. We used to use the thermos container, which we do still use here and there, but I like that this is more compact, and then it comes in this box all together, so it keeps it here, or if you really wanted to, you can always pack this separate and then use this section for something else, which is kind of nice too. But I did preheat this with some boiling water. So if you guys haven't used the thermos yet, you boil some water, pour it into the empty container, and then seal it off. Let it sit there for about like 5 or 10 minutes, and then you would dump the hot water out, wipe it down, and then you put your hot food in there. So today I made something to use this. Let me just show you real quick. Listen. There's like a little pop here of the seal, and then that means that it's warm, and then it is still hot in here. I actually made these little mini hot dogs. This one's a little squished, so let me get one of these out instead. So we made these little mini hot dogs. My son actually made them with me. I do have a video showing him how to do it. It's literally 2 ingredients, those little cocktail wieners, and then some crescent roll. So I have 5 of them in here. So that's what he's bringing for lunch. I put some veggie straws in here. We have some cucumber slices, and then we have grapes. And then this container actually just comes like this. These are really deep walls, so it holds a lot of food, but I do find it to be a struggle to figure out what to pack in it, just because it's so large. I'm thinking that he's just not at the age of eating like that much yet, and so I've been struggling with like using this box for that reason as well. This is actually the CAPERCI Kids little container that comes in that box, so I just moved it over here. And then in here today I just have some extra pineapple, and then I just put like a pick here, so he has just double fruit. So that is what I have for lunch. And then for snack, we're going back to the CAPERCI Kids the stackable container. So I used 2 minis this time, and then I just have here something fun. I'm just gonna give him a little cup of marshmallows, and then I have here some Teddy Grahams. These are chocolate Teddy Grahams, kind of like a s'more feel there. And then I'm gonna also give him a granola bar, just in case that's not enough. He's gonna have a large thermos of water, and then today is Friday, so I'd like to give him a special drink, so he's gonna have some apple juice. So that is what he's bringing to school. So we'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. And comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think of this brand, and you know, out of the 3 of them, which one you are more likely to buy, or if you've already bought them, let me know which one is your favorite. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do try to put out weekly school lunches. And you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.